Like so many bridges in our transportation system, the Woods Memorial Bridge was built by members of the greatest generation after World War II. And like so many of those bridges, this bridge has become structurally deficient.
The Woods Memorial Bridge project was a $71 million bridge replacement project that carried Route 16 over the Malden River, as well as Route 16 over the MBTA and Keolis commuter rail tracks.
One of the main challenges of this project was to accommodate the many users of this corridor in one condensed location.
The bridges maintained the 3 lanes in each direction while adding auxiliary lanes for exit and entrance to the highway and shoulders on each side for bicycle accommodation. We also put 10-foot sidewalks on each side of the roadway to provide more pedestrian and bicycle access. This was the first project in the state that used a public-private partnership to create the wetland mitigation site. And we were able to, working with Pre-Auto Lane, get them actually to build the wetland replication site for Mass DOT.
The Woods Memorial Bridge was a very complex and challenging project. But thanks to our partners at Stantec, who produced an excellent design, we were able to successfully complete the project over a year ahead of schedule and over 10% under the allotted budget.
I'm extremely proud of this project and the work that Stantec did on it. Walking out there today and seeing the people on bikes walking, the improved traffic flow, the beautiful landscaping and lighting, the overlooks, the people on Tufts crew underneath the bridge. This has really become a vibrant section of both cities.